Okay, so we have this question, and we are going to solve this question. This question is one of the question from the Olympiad Mathematics question. I can't remember which set it is. Okay, now we want to unravel the value of x if the angle DE, or if DE is equal to BC. Now this is a similar triangle. Okay, now this is a shape that has two triangles in it. Now there is a criteria for us to pronounce this as a similar triangle. Now it says if two pairs of corresponding angles are equal. Now this could be a similar triangle. Now look at this. This angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is corresponding to this angle. The same thing, this angle is corresponding to this angle. Now, when two pairs of corresponding sides are proportional and the corresponding angles between them are equal, now it means this angle, and this angle are equal. Now we're going to find the value of x, having this value to be x plus 3, x plus 5, and x plus 1, and then we are looking for the value of these x's. Okay, now that is what we are going to solve right now. Now do not forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that YouTube can show it to all other learners, and then like this video. Now to start with this mathematics solution, we are going to simply say x, that is this x over x plus 1. Okay, so we're going to bracket it. Now this x value is this x plus 1, which is this value, okay, equal to x plus 3 over x plus 3 plus x plus 5. Okay, so we're going to bracket it this way. Now what we'll do is we're going to simplify it, and then we have x over, this is 2x plus 1, okay, 2x plus 1 equals to x plus 3 over x gives you 2x, and then 3 plus 5 gives you what? 8. Okay, now what we'll do is we're going to cross multiply. We're going to what? Cross multiply. Now to cross multiply, we're going to do something like this. I'm going to take this with this one and multiply that with that one. So we're going to have x into bracket 2x plus 8 equal to x plus 3 into 2x plus 1. Okay, now we're going to multiply this. Now you have 2x squared plus 8x equals to x plus 3 times 2x gives you 2x squared plus, then we're going to say 3 times 2x gives you 6x. So how did I get this? I said 2x times 2x gives you 2x squared, and 3 times 2x gives you 6x, plus x plus 3 times 1 gives you x plus 3. Now what are we going to do? We are going to color items this way. So this cuts this one, leaving 8x equal to 6x plus x equals to 7x plus 3. Now we're going to say 8x minus 7x equal to 3, and the value of x equals to 3. Wow. Now I don't get x as 3. In fact, x equal 3 is the final answer, because it says we should find the value of x. Okay, now do not forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, like this video, possibly comment on this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.